Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off likes on any of your YouTube videos. So as you can see here on one of my YouTube videos, I currently have 20 likes and 0 dislikes. By default, YouTube shows this to anyone that views your videos on YouTube. Now you can easily change this and disable it in the settings for your videos. And in this video, I'll show you how to do that both on a desktop computer in the browser or in the YouTube Studio app on your mobile phone, such as iPhone or Android. So the first thing we need to do is simply go to the video where we want to disable the dislikes or likes on that video. Once you get to the video, simply find the Edit Video button, which should be located pretty close to the likes and dislikes. So select Edit Video. This will bring you to the video details for that actual YouTube video. And all we need to do now is simply scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see comments and ratings. And then below that, you'll see a checkbox where it says show how many viewers like and dislike this video. So if you want to disable likes and dislikes on your video, just make sure this is unchecked. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then save in the top right. Now when we go back to the video, you can see that it's no longer showing how many likes and dislikes were made on this YouTube video. Now people can still like and dislike this video, but it will no longer be shown to the public. So it kind of helps minimize any malicious liking and disliking. Now to turn off likes or dislikes on any of your videos in the YouTube Studio app on your phone, iPhone, or Android, the first thing you need to do is simply open up the YouTube Studio app, then open the menu by selecting the 3 horizontal bars in the top left and select Videos. Now simply find the video that you want to turn off the likes and dislikes for, and then select it. Once the video is opened, go ahead and select the pencil in the top right to edit the video details. Then at the top, you'll see 2 tabs, one with a pencil and then one with a gear. Go ahead and select the gear. And near the center, under comments, you'll see users can view ratings for this video. Go ahead and toggle that off, and that will disable likes and dislikes for that video. Now all you need to do is select save in the top right. And then likes and dislikes have been disabled for that YouTube video. All right, so that's how you turn on or off likes and dislikes for any of your YouTube videos. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.